I'm Pacchia, and these are your Bloomberg Law headlines for the week. First up, do law schools use scholarship money as a bait and switch when they give it to one else, then pull it back when the students don't meet GPA thresholds in their second and third years? A study of 79 schools by University of St. Thomas Law School professor Jerry Organ found that an average of 69% of students end up retaining their scholarships. But the real story may be that approximately half of the nation's 200 law schools fail to post the scholarship data on their websites, as required by the ABA. They could face fines, but only if someone complains about a particular school to the ABA, the association told National Jurist magazine. Next, an early look at part of the AmLaw 100 shows that a dozen New York law firms saw mostly modest growth in profits per partner last year, with an average rise of 2.9%. Outliers were Cadwalader, where profits per partner rose 11.6%, and Weil Gotshal, where they fell 8.6%. A rebound in fourth quarter deal work, along with strong litigation practices, helped bolster the numbers, but several managing partners report that continued downward pressure on litigation billing rates is hampering the profitability of that practice. Finally, the arguments in the Supreme Court's gay marriage cases next week will look like a rerun of the Obamacare arguments last term. On Wednesday in U.S. v. Windsor, Paul Clement will be arguing in support of the Federal Defense of Marriage Act, while Solicitor General Donald Verrilli will be arguing against it. The two famously faced off in the healthcare cases, in which Verrilli's oral arguments were widely scorned, but he went on to win the cases. Look for a Bloomberg Law live blog of the oral arguments next Tuesday and Wednesday on the homepage of Bloomberg.com. That, of course, brings us to the question of the week: who will win the Defense of Marriage Act case, Clement or Verrilli? Place your bets in the comments. That's what we have for this week. I'm Pacchia. Thank you for watching, and see you next week.